Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another glider in Fortnite. This time it's gonna be the Kaboom glider, which is kind of like a surfboard. So here's my full pencil sketch, and then from here I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one's very easy to draw. Just basically a big bomb, and the only tricky part is just the bubble letters. Alright, so let's draw in the bottom of the, or the body of the bomb. So I'm just going to draw in 2 horizontal lines. Right here, we can actually connect them, because there's supposed to be some kind of line here, a little crease. Okay, and then from here, this is going to be the tip. So we just slant inwards. And then on the very tip, just round it out. So that's probably the trickiest part, is to try to make it symmetrical. So here I should probably line it up a little bit more. Okay, so now for the back, we're just gonna taper it in. Just go all the way back. Okay, so nice and thin back here, and then we'll just close that off. Alright, so let's continue on, and this one we'll go back, but we'll flare it out just a little bit. So a little bit wider here, and then we'll close that off. And then just one more section. So we're gonna pinch it back in, close it off. Alright, and then for the fins back here, let's start right here. Just 2 small little lines slanting out. And then on the back here, we'll go out, but we'll just draw in a longer line. And now whatever space you have here, we'll just connect it with a straight line. So that's pretty much it for the overall shape, and let's just go ahead and finish up the details here. It's gonna be 2 lines here, 1 more in the back here, and then just 1 more at the very tip. Okay, and then in here, I'm gonna draw 2 little slants. And then now we'll go all the way back. So just follow the same slant as this one on the bottom. Then for the details, just 2 more little lines. Alright, so we'll leave it like that. And now for the front here, it's got that little marking. So we can start, here's the middle of this line right here. Just come out right here. Let's draw 1 little angle like this first. And then this part's gonna slant out. And then for this one, we'll slant down and then just come back out. And the line's a little bit thicker, so I'm just gonna go over it 1 more time. Okay, so now for the bubble letters. So right here, we'll come across here. I'm gonna draw the B, so 1 little slant, and then for the B, just draw almost like a number 3 right here. Just come in, go back out, and then just close it out first. And then now we're drawing the inside, so I'm just gonna add 2 little dots in here. Okay, and then now for the O, it's gonna be touching the B right here. Okay, so we just go right behind it. 1 little dot there. And then now we're gonna continue on, and again, it's gonna be behind this other O. Another dot. And then now for the M, I'm just gonna draw 1 line right next to the O right there. And I'm just gonna go up first. So start on the top, come across, and then angle, and then come across, and then come back down. So it's just drawing 1 edge first. Okay, so once you have that, now we can draw on the inside. 2 little line like this. And then just kind of follow the line on top. Okay, and then for the KA is a little bit harder because it's a little bit smaller. So K is always a little bit tricky here. So just draw 1 bar and then just kind of draw 2 little hooks like this. Now we'll flare out. You can draw a little angle in here and then just connect those. So it's gonna give us the K. And then the A here, I'm just gonna continue with this. Just go up, cross, and then come back down. Again, we're just drawing one edge first. Come in on the bottom. Yeah, this is getting really small. So I'm just gonna connect this with a little angle right there. And on the inside, I'll just add a little dot. Okay, and then lastly, just one little bar right here. Alright, so that is it for this Kaboom glider. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.